want to make your sperm to be very strong for pregnancy, as a man, you need to make your SP to be very strong. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the things you need to do in order to make your SP to be very strong so that you'll be able to pregnant your wife. Number one, you need to exercise yourself. You need to maintain a good body weight. Some men, they will sit from one place from morning till night without moving out. Some will go from office to home, from home to office, from AC to AC. They will nothing like heat will come out from their body, and there they'll be adding weight. As a man, you need to exercise yourself. You need to maintain a good body mass index, because once you started becoming overweight, this will affect your SP. So as a man, you need to be working out so that you will maintain a good body mass index. Okay, I don't say that you should be working out maybe every time. No, at least 2 or 3 times in a week, you need to work out. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you have worked out is something, okay? Make sure that every week that you must work out. This will help to maintain your body mass index. Number 2, you need to manage stress. Don't overstress yourself. Stress makes your SP2 reduce. So make sure that you try your possible best to manage stress. Avoid too much stress. No matter your work, no matter the nature of your work, make sure that you have time for yourself. You have time to relax. You have time to relax your muscle. Okay, this is very, very important. Don't joke with managing your stress. The third one is, if you have had STI before, sexually transmitted disease, make sure that you treat it very well. If you're not sure if you treated it very well, go back to hospital and check yourself again and know if you have treated it very well. If not, treat it very well. Treat it very well, because this can reduce your SP. It can make it to be low. It can make it not to be strong. Okay, make sure that you treat it very well and go back to hospital and check if you have properly treated or not. Very, very important. The fourth one is eating healthy. Make sure that you eat healthy food. Eat lots and lots of vegetable. Eat whole food. Eat beans. Eat whole grain. This will help to make your SP to be very, very strong. Okay, I don't say that you shouldn't be drinking alcohol. You can take alcohol, but let it be in moderation. Don't take it in excess, because this will also contribute to buying your SP. Don't say what of others that are taking it. You and that person is not the same thing. What happens to A is not what will happen to B. You have your own nature. You have your own body. He has his own body. How God created you is not how God created that person. So don't use yourself to compare any other person. Okay, don't say this person drink 20 bottles of alcohol, he's still pregnanting his wife. You and that person's body is not the same. Okay, make sure that you maintain the bottles of alcohol you take. Maintain your level of alcohol. Okay, remember what I said. Number 1, maintaining good body mass index. Number 2, treating sexually transmitted infection. Number 3, managing stress. And number 4, eating healthy. Make sure that you put all these things into practice. You will come back and thank me later. All right, thank you all. If you have not followed this page, what are you waiting for? Follow my page, like, share this video, because it will help a lot of couples out there. Bye guys, see you all in my next video.